Namaste. I'm Usha from the Freedom Universal School, Hyderabad, and I'd like to say that it has been a really enlightening experience being here. The idea of using data to improve the school and improve our teaching pedagogies, I think that's a great idea, and I'm excited to be a part of it. What I feel is that our children tend to give assessments, and a lot of the time, like Dr. Sandel pointed out, some of them are doing inky pinky ponky. There's no motivation to do it. This will give me an understanding of why my children are not performing well and what is it that I need to do to help them become better, not just at test scores, but actually when they go out into the real world.